cabin temperature is 19 degrees. Please remain seated until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Before you leave us today, please ensure you have all your personal items with you. Any lost property found on board by the cabin crew will be handed over to the airport team here. For security reasons, nothing that we find on board will be returned to the UK. If you were given an extra seatbelt or an infant life jacket, please leave these on your seats for the cabin crew to collect. And if you have requested airport assistance, please remain seated until all other passengers have disembarked, and then the crew will be happy to assist you further. Have a lovely holiday, and we look forward to seeing you in a week or two's time. A very good morning, and thank you for travelling with TUI.